Is it time to buy or sell Dollar General stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Dollar General. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of August, 2025, our system has identified Dollar General as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.03. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, resulting in a loss of 1.26% thus far. This equates to an average loss of 0.14% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within the upper segment of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders as a pullback towards the lower segment of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $117.29 would indicate an increased rate of ascent. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 6.88% over the forthcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 3.33% to positive 9.16%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 37.33%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 4.35% and 40.31% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within the range of $119.85 to $161.15. Our latest daily update for Dollar General includes the headline, Dollar General Corporation stock price up 1.84% on Wednesday. The Dollar General Corporation stock price gained 1.84% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of August, 2025. The stock rose from $112.78 to $114.85. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.06% with a low of $112.47 and a high of $115.91. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.35% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 2 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $246,580,000. It is important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence, potentially serving as an early warning of changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $126.98, while the lowest price was $66.43. Currently, the price is 9.55% or $12.13 below the 52-week high, and 56.20% or $147.36 below the all-time high reached on the 21st of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $262.21. Dollar General recently announced a significant change in its leadership. Donnie Lau will assume the role of Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer, starting on the 20th of October, 2025. The current CFO, Kelly Dilts, will be leaving the company on the 28th of August, 2025. In the interim, CEO Todd Vassos will take on the responsibilities of Principal Financial Officer. This transition coincides with the company's fiscal second quarter results, which are also set to be released on the 28th of August, potentially creating a short-term catalyst for market volatility as investors assess financial data without a permanent finance chief in place. From an operational perspective, Dollar General has both opportunities for growth and challenges ahead. The chain has expanded its digital presence by launching a nationwide partnership with Uber Eats, now available at over 14,000 Dollar General and PopShelf locations. This initiative is expected to enhance same-store sales, attract convenience shoppers, and support long-term margin recovery. However, the company has also initiated a voluntary recall of certain lots of Clover Valley instant coffee due to potential glass contamination. Although no injuries have been reported, in the short term, this recall may impact sales, increase remediation costs, and affect overall sentiment. Looking ahead, the long-term effects will depend on how effectively Dollar General addresses supply chain quality issues and leverages its delivery partnership to achieve sustainable sales growth. The upcoming earnings and management performance will likely influence the stock in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 13th of August, 2025, it was reported that Truist Financial assigned DG a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned DG a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, it was also reported that Jefferies assigned DG a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned DG an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned DG a neutral grade along with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Dollar General stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a recommendation to sell, along with the price-to-book ratio, also rated as sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been identified for Dollar General. The Dollar General Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at $114.05 and $111.70. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal emerging from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. It is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased, creating a divergence that may serve as an early warning sign. Close monitoring of the stock is advised. Some negative signals have also been observed, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 8, 2025, and the stock has experienced a decline of 1.26% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 113 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 112 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Dollar General. Dollar General Corporation is experiencing support from accumulated volume at $113.31. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with robust trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $3.44 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.06%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.16%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Dollar General, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 28th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.56. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Dollar General. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Dollar General is at $114.95. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Dollar General encounters its first support level at $113.31. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Dollar General from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 17th of June, 2025, Taylor Emily C. conducted an insider sale of 1,969 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Reardon Kathleen A. conducted an insider purchase of 3,588 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Reardon Kathleen A. also conducted an insider sale of 2,850 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Reardon Kathleen A. conducted another insider sale of 3,588 shares of common stock. On the 12th of June, 2025, Reardon Kathleen A. conducted an additional insider sale of 3,588 shares of employee stock options, or the right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 66.896. Overall, insiders purchased 379,335 shares and sold 81,094 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $111.03, reflecting a decrease of 3.32%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is Dollar General stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Dollar General Corporation stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of August, we expect Dollar General to open lower by approximately 442 hundredths of a dollar, starting trading at $114.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.